Yeah, Wheezy, back up on it. I was told to make a living off of these conditions. Wicked ways with the wildest intentions. A legend in my section. Left with the damage I manifested. I hope you don't repeat it. The mic is my blessing. I don't need that credit. It's pathetic. I'm authentic with the speeches. Running around and duck the crown for you leeches. I hold it down. Fake smiles. I was announced young Wheezy. Wheezy, Wheezy, Wheezy. Augmented reality is just to reach reality. It's something that you bound to see. Survival at its fittest. My fridge is full of the MCs I leaked at their house parties. I quit the drug game and became the target. I'm just tired of being dishonest. Quit lying to yourself, defend the bell. I'm head up, fed up from the sounds of the sirens. My city corrupted, there's no luck to find a dub through the love on the rug or the love you have for the drugs. There's no need to mingle with the thugs, so just mingle with us. Boy, you see me so sus, boy, you see me rough. I'm a diamond in the rough, come up out the mud, raised by the villain. But I'm chillin', I was raised off of these conditions. Why don't you tell me how you live it? I'ma switch my name to Timid, cause the image I'm giving. I've been gifted through the pain, and the pain is persistent. Out here being blinded by the misguided in the trenches. There's bodies and ditches, collect calls from the prisons. Are we really indigenous? I don't know, but the things we done. I'm liquored up, on the verge of an outcome. I'm coming home, posted 10 toes by the stop sign. Glock 9 if you really wanna stop mine. This shit real, you can't stop by. Drawn out by the chalk lines. Focus on them goals, a pinpoint with a hard guy. I take the game and leave a hard tie, literally. I'm barely swinging and I'm here in Little League.